we learned the sound of letter G. G, G, G. Let's go to our next letter. Which is the next letter? Letter H. Capital H, small h. When you see the letter H, give me a word that comes in your mind. Good. House. Hat. Very good. Hand. Very good. Now, letter H. What is the sound of letter H? What is that? Now, supposing you're running around, supposing you're hopping around, you get tired. When you get tired, what is the sound that you'll make? That's the sound of letter H. All right? Now, you like to hop? The teacher says, come on, let's have a race, hopping race. Let's think we are going to hop. All right? 1, 2. When you hop, what do? You keep your hands on your hip. Ready? 1, 2. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 up and down. When you're tired, you make. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. So when you're tired, the sound that you make, that's the sound of letter H. So give me some words with letter H. Hat, house, hand, very good. Hop, good. Now, after letter H comes letter I. I. You like to talk about yourself. I'm a good girl. I'm a good boy. I like to come first. I like to write neatly. I, capital I, and small I. When you look at letter I, what do you remember? Ice cream, very good. Ice cream. You love to eat ice cream, yes? Good. Now, what's the sound of letter I? E. The letter I sound is E. Now, let's suppose that you have a little mouse, a tiny little mouse as your pet, and you're sitting on your table, and maybe mama's table, and mama's got ink pot to dip the pen and write. She left it open by mistake because she was dipping and writing. Let's imagine there's a table, there's a tablecloth, there's an ink pot, and that tiny little mouse, your pet mouse, is climbing on top of it. All right? Now, what is the sound of letter I? E. Let's name the mouse Inky. Shall we? Your pet little mouse's name is Inky. All right. Let's take the song. Listen carefully. Inky the mouse is my pet. He spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. E, 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 E. Ink is wet. All right? Shall we take it again? The sound of letter I is E. Inky the mouse is my pet. He spilled the ink and got wet. Ink is spread all over the desk. E, 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 E. Ink is wet. Now, will you remember the sound of letter I as E? Very good. E for? I for ice cream. I for igloo. Very good. So, E. The sound of I is E. Very good. Now, what could be the next letter that will follow I? At the circus, what do you remember? Joker, yes. When you look at letter J, what do you remember at the circus? Joker. All right. So what is that you like to eat the table? Jelly, very good. Next, juice. Joker, jelly, juice. What else mommy makes with fruits? Jam. Now supposing, let's say you love to eat jelly and jam. Yes? Do you remember the sound of letter J? What's the sound? J. The sound of letter J is J. Okay? Now let's hope. Now put your hands out. Let's say you have jelly here, you have jam here, in 2 plates. Put your hands out. Now, the song goes like this. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Take it again. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J, 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 j. Yes? So what's the sound of letter J? J. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J, 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 j. That is J for jam, J for joker, J for jam, J for jelly. Curd. Are you enjoying? Let's look at our next letter. What comes after J? Letter big. After J comes K. Big letter K, small letter. What is the sound of letter K? The sound of letter K is K. C and K both have the same sound. So K, cap letter, small letter, K. K. Now, let's say mommy bought a kite. The kite. You take the kite, you say, Daddy, let's go to the beach and play. What do? You hold the kite and you fly it in the sky. Yes? And you like to have a game with your friend, cutting each other's kite. Okay? Now, when the kites are flying, what do? You look up in the sky to see the kite flying. All right? Look, each one of you, take out your kite, hold it. Good. Hold the string correctly. Let the kite fly. 1, 2. Kites are flying in the sky. K, k, k. Kites are flying in the sky. K, k, k. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. K, k, k. You got it? Yes. So now have your kite in your hand. Hold the string correctly. Let's sing it again. The sound of letter K is K. K for king. Yes. K for kangaroo. K for kite. Curd. 1, 2. Let's take the song again. K for K. The sound of K is K. Kite. We're going to fly the kite. Kites are flying in the sky. K, k, k. Kites are flying in the sky. K, k, k. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. K, k, k. Did you enjoy? I'm sure you will never forget the sound of letter K is K. K for king. K for kite. K. Good. What could be the next letter, children? After K follows letter K. Good. Very good. L. What's the sound of letter L? L. Now, to remember the sound of letter L, we need to learn a song. Now, when you see the letter, cap letter L, small letter L, tell me. What is the word that comes to your mind? Curd, lion. What else? Some fruit? Lime. Very good. Then, next one? Lollipop. Very good. Letter. Mommy gets letters. If daddy is abroad, mommy gets L for letter. L for lion. L for lollipop. Good. L for leg. Yes, your little leg. Now I'm going to give all of you a lollipop each. Come on. Hold the lollipop in your hand. Lovely little red and yellow and pink and orange and all colors. And it's going to taste nicely. What do you do when you get a lollipop for somebody's birthday? You lick it. Good. L for lollipop. Now hold the lollipop in your hand. The song goes like this. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. So what do you do with the lollipop you get? You lick it. For what? To get the taste. It can be an orange taste, lemon taste, apple taste, strawberry taste, anything. 1, 2. Sound of L is 1, 2. Let's take the song again. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. Good. So when you remember looking at the lollipop, when you lick the lollipop, you remember the sound L. Line, line, lollipop, leg, Very good. Now, what's the next letter that will follow after L? Letter M. Big letter M, small letter M. What's the sound of letter M? All you have to remember is Yes, that's what you will do. Now give me some words with letter M. Mummy, very good. Mug, good. Then mat, very good. Mummy, mat, mug, very good. Now, what is the sound of letter M? I told you, you hold your stomach when you're hungry or tummy pain. What do you say? That's the sound of letter M. Let's take a song. What does mommy and daddy do? Supposing your maid who cooks delicious food for you, she's not well. So what does mommy and daddy do? They'll make meals for you. Yes. All right? Dad and mom will say, oh, my little girl and boy, they're going to be hungry today. Let's make 1, 2. The song goes like this. Mom and dad make many meals. Mom and dad make many meals for the hungry children. Yes, mom and dad make many meals. Mom and dad make many meals for the hungry children. What's the sound of letter M? And who makes meals for you? Dad and mom. The songs are simple. It's easy to remember the letter and the sound. Letter M. Very good. I hope you enjoyed.